How's it going, everyone? I'm just doing an unboxing video of these Thailand fish that just got delivered today. They'll be going into my 20-gallon tank that I've been set up in the past few days. It's a split 20-gallon with a divider in the middle, DIY matte filter on the left-hand side, water's flowing great, and a box filter on the right-hand side, as you will see. I'm proud of it. Styrofoam box inside of the corrugated box, taped shut all the way. I had to actually flip it upside down in order to slide it out. And let me just cut it open live. Video shut off on me. So I've got the bag open. Heat pack is still warm. GPS just came out of California at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, their time. Probably loaded, onto the plane into the airport by 9 o'clock. 3 o'clock will be 6 o'clock East Coast time. So flew here overnight. Probably got to Newark early in the morning. Female. Just set it down there. Female. Yeah, these water are still lukewarm, so I'm not worried about. This is the male, Thai lace male. I have to prop this open first. Okay. And this is the third male. All right, I'll set you down. Got them in there acclimatizing to the tank temperature. Give it about 10-15 minutes and prop them open. Temperature is probably showing 76 degrees on this end of the tank. I had it before I put my heater behind the matte filter. I had it set to about 78 degrees, so that was before it got covered up by the matte filter, because I just put this matte filter in 2 days ago, not before yesterday. So the heat probably having some difficulty reaching to this side of the tank. So realistically, on the near side of the tank is probably still 77, 78 degrees. So I'm not worried about the 1 or 2 degrees difference. I can always take them out and bump it up later. Still waiting for the fire red dragon blood to breed. I had 3 failed batches of eggs about 3.5 weeks ago. So hopefully it's about time for these females to start holding eggs again. I still have these dragon bloods left, along with an OB. I see back there, I can't really see it. I got a ruby red that I previously imported from Woody. So the females that I got this time, the 3 females, I'm gonna use them to try to breed it with him. And then there's the blue neon back there from Sunrock. That dragon blood's nice and red. This one also. These are my proud babies. Cream of the crop. This male came out of the bag flaming hot. I bought a Thai lace, but I don't know about you, this guy looks like a full ruby red to me. Fully red bodies, but he was sold it to me as Thai lace. But even on the bag it's labeled as Rubicens male, 4-inch. It doesn't say Thai lace. And these 3 other females, ruby red females, they're like somewhat colored up with pointy pectoral fins and anal fins. So I'm not 100% sure that they're female. They look too colored up to be females, to tell you the truth. Guess what I can do is vent them, but I just drop them in, so I don't want to stress them any further. I don't know if they're really females or just subdominant males. I guess time will tell. This picture is what he advertised on Facebook as, and that's what I chose. He also had me pick from 2 different videos of a couple of choices. So I picked this one. And I think it's definitely the same fish in this video on the right. He's certainly very active and just interested in the females. If there are females. So we'll see how it turns out, even though it doesn't look the same as what he originally advertised. Still a good looking fish indeed. And I'll, of course, be venting the females and see what happens. We'll go from there. Thank you very much for watching.